Results will not come immediately. That's what I'm telling. Being with the Swami, the life is not going to change from one day to the other day like that. You have to stick. You have to stick. You see? As I'm telling, many times I said, every person's consciousness have the different capacity. Okay? I always say it. It's like if your consciousness is like this glass. Okay? How much water can go in this glass? Maybe 300 ml, 400 ml. Okay? Maximum 400 ml can go inside, let us say, for example. And your meditations will help you so that you can enlarge the size of this glass. From glass to jar, which can take 2 liters or 1 liter. From that jar to a big pot, which can take 20 liters. From that pot to the tank, which can take 1000 liters. Okay? From the tank to the swimming pool, which takes 10,000 liters maybe. Meditations will help you to expand that consciousness in you. More it is expanding, more you will start to understand how to deal with it. How to deal with your own issues. How to overcome those things. And what you can do, with whom to be, what to try, what to take, what to quit. Everything your consciousness will teach you. What all you have to do is take care of your consciousness, that it can enhance, it can become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger for that life, yogi lifestyle, I'm telling you. And in that process, to be bigger and bigger and bigger, your master is helping you, motivating, satsangs, darshans, this and that, and always we are doing such kind of things where you can be much more nearer to your consciousness. You see, less time with the master, more time with the outer world will not help the consciousness. No matter when you are away physically from the master, you have to be with yourself. You have to be with your methods. You have to be with those things which are written in your discipline, in your daily routines, what you have to do, how you have to do. My master said to do this every day without fail. I will do it. My master said go and swim. I will swim. My master said sleep. I will sleep. My master said eat like this only. I will eat like that. My master said run. I will run only. I don't question, oh, today weather is not good. No, doesn't matter how the weather is. My master said, that's a commitment. There your devotion, there your loyalty proves.